brother in. Oh my god.
Brother, where did we come? This
We brought the right car. We brought the right car today, David.
Sick. Look at all these, bro. What the?
Bro, look at all these BMWs. What's up, guys? You're watching another video. We just made it to this Cars and Coffee very freaking early. I don't know how we woke up, but we did not bring the GTR today. We're actually in David's F80 and he's in the backseat of his own car. I don't know why, but anyways, this meet looks pretty sick. There's a lot of people and a lot of cars. But most importantly, you guys probably already see by the title and the thumbnail, I think, if he's here, my old E36 M3 is here, guys. I have not seen this car in like 2 years, bro. I'm excited to see it.
What am I looking at, brother?
Why are you looking at my car like it's a Ferrari?
Everyone's not looking. But yeah, my old E36 is here, guys. Somewhere in this parking lot, I think, if he woke up. A lot of my homies did not wake up today. You guys almost didn't wake up today.
That shit's hard.
Everyone's taking pictures of your car, David.
Why, bro? I'm missing a coupler. Go put this on.
This was missing part of his lip. Everyone likes your car right now, David.
It's the color, bro. I swear to God, it's the color.
Yeah, everyone likes this, bro, for sure.
Look at that, bro.
Oh my God, it's a 4 GT. Why did I take a picture of that thing? Why did I take a picture of this class F80? Damn, that shit slammed. Oh yeah, and by the way, I think I'm getting sick again.
Which is weird.
My boy has a weak immune system, huh?
Yeah, guys, I'm telling you guys, this was sick 24/7,
Bro, my car was fibers,
brother.
Josh is gonna recognize me, bro.
A month ago.
I came undercover today, bro.
Bro, you came undercover today. Bro, I never heard of this meet and this boy's on jam.
I know. There's actually a lot of freaking cars here. I did not know it was gonna be this packed. There's a bunch of sick ass cars though. There's a lot of BMWs specifically, but oh my God, is that my car? Now I'm looking at everything. I think that's it, bro. We gotta go look at it.
Yeah, it is.
That's my old car, guys. I'm nervous, dude. I have not seen that car in like
E36.
my old car.
You're
dude.
getting nervous.
It's my old car, bro. And when I sold it, it went to some guy in San Diego, and then I think I went to some girl in Vegas, and I think I went to another guy, and then to another guy, which is this guy, I think. So that car's been passed around, bro. I wish it came back to me, but I'm gonna go offer him a price. I'm gonna tell him, I'll give you 10K.
You go after him?
He's gonna say hell no. He's not gonna make the same mistake I made. Bro, look at this pink Supra.
What about the sick, clean?
What, David? What, David?
Clean.
Look at Josh's car. The Lambo's back. Well, dude really drives. He daily drives the Lambo. Must be nice, huh? That would be me though. If I had a Lambo, I'd for sure be driving it everywhere, bro. Bro, there's crazy cars. Like there's a Viper, a Taycan. There's a bunch of crazy ass cars. Oh my God, it's really my car, guys. There's no way that's my car, bro. It looks a little different than when I had it, but a lot different than when I had it. Bro, it's literally my car. Look at it. He seat deleted it. Damn, they did a lot of different stuff to this car.
Look at the top. Why is it like all dented?
I don't know, bro. It's kind of sad because it went through like so many multiple owners after me, bro.
Bro, it is kind of crazy that you had a super mint, bro.
My car was mint, huh? Oh my God, look at that F80, bro. Oh shit. That F80 is beautiful. We're gonna go look at that right now too. But bro, this is really my old car, guys. Like it's so crazy that this was literally my car. Same exact one. The same exact everything. It just went from multiple owners.
I was the first one to break the lid on it.
You were the first one to break the lid on it. Dude, how's it going?
Good,
Nick,
good.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Look, this is a new owner. You like it or what?
This thing's awesome.
It's sick, huh? I should have never sold it, bro.
Things taking me from Arizona to Monterey Car Week, like everywhere.
You drive it everywhere, huh?
Yeah.
That's crazy. I was scared to put miles on it, but he drives it.
Yeah. This thing, it needed so much love.
I know.
So my friend Dimov, like he just helped me all the way.
That's sick. Bro, it went from like multiple owners. That's why, huh?
Like, look at this.
I know, so you didn't do all this stuff, bro.
Like some guy like stood on it with his ass. And,
So
like,
before anyone tries to get at him, it wasn't him, guys. It went to like 2 or 3 different owners in between me and him. And then when he got it, it needed a lot of work, and he actually like made it. He kind of bring it back to life.
Dude,
a little bit, huh?
Needed, like, God, I put your old steering wheel in just so you could check it out how bad it was.
Oh my God, I think that's my steering wheel. I don't know.
It is.
Everything's different.
Hey, you want to sit in it? You can go for it.
Should I sit in it?
Yeah, go for it. This
Bro,
is
I haven't sat in
different.
this car
This is
so long.
a Sparko from the Brom you had.
Yeah, these seats are sick. Yeah, this is really my old car, guys. It's so crazy.
And we redid the headliner, so it's suede.
Oh wow, see?
This is a little sagging on the this part, but I have to fix the sunroof because it's kind of bent.
Yeah, that's sick though. Damn, so he did the headliner, everything. So yeah, he's obviously trying to bring it back to life.
Yeah.
The other
basically,
owners.
That's the whole
Bro, they even put hood pins on the car. Like, why'd they do
Dude,
that?
that was like the worst thing I've ever seen. Apparently, like what happened was that the previous guy, like he was driving and the hood just literally smashed into the windshield.
Oh my god.
So he was like, you know, I got a bunch of Hondas at my house. Let me put some Honda hood pins.
Bro, guys, they put hood pins on the hood. Like they drilled into the hood, which kind of sucks. But
Yeah.
this thing looks cool though. Looks so nice. You changed all this out or what?
Yeah, like new radio Continental, and then I changed the. So this is a M3 cluster, but Euro 323 Ti face.
Wow.
So you have like instead of here, it's like it has black rings with the gray face.
That's nice,
Not a
bro.
lot of people know about that.
That's sick. I miss this car.
Dude, yeah, I feel it. And this car apparently when you owned it, it didn't have an engine cover. So
Oh yeah, so you put
talked to
carbon,
this-
right?
Yeah, I talked to
wanna
the
see that.
second owner. He's like, the reason why it didn't come with it because that was also carbon.
Oh, okay. This sucks. I don't remember all this being on there when I had it.
Bro, it got hit like this nose panel. This thing needs a lot of love, but I mean, I'm keeping it forever.
Nah, for sure. I wish I would have kept it forever too. That's cool. You put a little carbon fiber on it.
And then we did the M50 manifold swap. So this is like 20 horsepower.
More than
It's
before?
more of like it's instead of low end torque, you get more like up end.
Oh, that's
basically
sick.
like, and it's tuned so 70.
Oh, you tuned it too?
Yeah.
Damn, he did a lot of stuff, bro.
So 70.
See, so it wasn't him, bro, that did all the dents. Like, look at the roof.
Like we reinforced the shock towers front, and then the rear was already. I'm surprised the rear was already reinforced.
This is
So,
aftermarket too, right?
Yeah, this is like old school company racing dynamics.
That's tight.
So-
And then you changed out the wheels. No more apexes on it. I'm guessing you redid this too or no? Yeah, huh?
Yeah. That one, remember?
It was all
like,
faded,
faded
bro.
and shit. I was like, I gotta.
I think I did it in like some fake
I'm gonna say
suede,
shout out
bro.
to my boy Alan and Hunter and Demov. They worked on the interior.
Really?
For the headliner and the whole thing.
Well, they
It was like
suede out the headliner and all this again.
It was like a gift, basically.
Yeah.
It came with a full toolkit.
It's crazy how all this shit's like OEM. It's still there.
It's like all still there.
All original tools and stuff.
It says no longer available.
That's sick.
I have the wing, but I'm gonna wait for it. I'm thinking about doing either PTG, which is like the race wing.
It's so crazy to see my old car, guys.
That's wild.
But at least it's going to a good home. He drives it. You're tracking it too, don't you?
Yeah, so
You're gonna take it to the track, huh?
Yeah, March 26th, we're going to Streets of Willow with a good group of friends.
That's what I told you about. You should take the F80. He's gonna go on the track.
And,
I can't believe how many different people it went to, bro.
It's just wild that this came like randomly. I found it on OfferUp, like
That's crazy.
randomly.
Where'd you buy it from?
Bakersfield.
Bakersfield? Bro, I think it went from me to someone in San Diego.
Yes, and that
Then
guy
to
sold
Vegas,
it
right?
No.
I think some girl in Vegas had it, bro.
Maybe that's the girl, because there was a girl with another guy that I bought the car.
Yeah, I think it was the girl, and I could have sworn she messaged me. She said she's from Vegas.
Bro, they
or
were like
something like that.
saying this shit. Yeah, we daily this shit from San Diego to fucking Bakersfield.
Oh
Like, we were
my
fucking
god, that's a
tripping out.
long drive,
Like,
bro.
there's no way you could daily something from San Diego to Bakersfield.
It's so crazy to like know it's lifetime. Like, where has this car been in a couple years, bro? Like, it's so sick. But
Yeah.
anyways, I'm glad that you have it. That's sick.
Yeah.
If you ever sell it, hit me up first, bro,
Right.
please, because I won't buy it back.
Yeah, I'll let you know.
Maybe later on we'll go for a ride before we leave. The reason why I'm so sad about selling it, guys, because this is like the same year I was born too. I was born in 1997, and it's red. It's like literally Hell Rot red, which is kind of hard to find, I think.
Bro, he's got the red hoodie.
And I got the
on.
red hoodie, bro.
Set, bro.
That's my old car. I should have never sold it. Damn, look at that GTR, guys. I seen this one the other day. Impressive wrap. It was literally just got finished wrapped, and he's already out here. That's like my biggest fans, bro. Right here. You guys remember I put him in my vlog a long time ago? Look at your shoes, bro. You got better ones than me. That's so crazy to see my old car. But anyways, look at this. Let's go look at some cars before they all leave. Look at this F80, guys. This might be one of the cleanest F80s I've ever seen. It has to be, bro. Look how beautiful that is. The color. I'm pretty sure this is factory paint too. With red interior. Damn, bro, this guy has a perfect spec. Red brakes, HREs. Wow, bro. That is insane. Fashion M3. Because I think it's called Fashion Gray, the color. I don't know, brother. It might be cleaner than yours, brother.
Bro, you see that
It might be cleaner than mine too if I ever get
You see
one.
that?
Look at the interior, yeah.
Perfect spec, huh?
This, bro, that's
What?
paint.
That's paint?
Yes, bro, it's literally paint. I think it's like a rare ass color. And that thing's sick too. Look at it. E36 wagon, M3. What? Bro, this thing is crazy.
I didn't know they made them in a wagon.
I don't think they do. I think you have to convert it. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. You guys comment down below. Did they actually make these or do you have to convert them? If he did, he converted the hood, the bumper, the fenders, everything. So many. That E90 over there? Yeah. Damn, there's so many Beamers, guys. This is your twin, bro.
Look at the wheels. Look at the wheels.
Why do you have those wheels, brother? HRVs? There's so many cars here, guys. I don't even know what to film.
This exact car right here, brother.
Look at that.
Actually, tell me the F80 or this.
The F80 or this? I don't know. The F80 might be my favorite. Damn, that thing is beautiful too, though, bro. Look at the wheels. Bro, those wheels on your car will be fire.
That's what I'm telling you.
Damn, that shit is sick, dude.
Crazy, bro.
It's ridiculously clean. Look at the headlights, you. The white roof. I think this is rare too. The slick top. The other one. Bro, there's so many E92s.
I want to get TEs, but look at. He has TEs. This one has TEs. He has TEs.
Everyone has TEs, I know. It's like the Honda has TEs too. Everyone does. Not a G80. Bro, there's so many BMWs here.
I recorded all these already.
Another one. Bro, there's a lot of E36 M3s here actually, guys. Like a lot. Oh my god, Laguna Seca Blue, E46. The color's sick, huh? You know what I was telling Jay? Imagine if someone custom orders a Laguna Seca Blue G80.
Yeah,
Pretty sure no one's done it yet, but BMW will do it if you ask them and you have the money. That would be like my dream spec, imagine. Because no one will have it, bro. It'll be one of one, literally. Why are there so many M3s, like in general? E92s, E46s, E36? Oh!
That's what I'm saying.
Like there's a lot of BMWs here. I really want one of these.
How, like it doesn't have to be perfect. This car does not have to be perfect and it looks sick.
It's so hard. I want one of these.
Looking at the M4s, bro, they're cool, but it just doesn't look the same, bro.
Yeah, that's true.
Like,
but M4s are cheaper, guys, if you guys want to get one.
But look at the rear. It does not look the same.
Yeah, David's cars is way wider. The F80s are wide. What the?
You know, M4s are wider, right?
No way. What is that, brother?
You look like that car fits you.
Hell no.
Fast, friendly.
Bro, imagine you see David on the freeway in this, bro. Guys, look at this dog.
That dog has better fitment than me and David.
My boy is more slammed than David's F80, bro. My boy slammed, bro. I want one of these dogs so bad, dude.
She grew up with my brother.
Hey, puppy. Oh, I want one of you so bad.
It's a Ford though.
It's just a Ford? Pretty much. Imagine you tell the owner that.
It's an EcoBoost. It's not even an 98. Come on.
Bro, he has carbon fiber stripes.
That's super.
You gotta be rich for that. I'm just kidding. My boy got carbon fiber stripes, bro. Oh, it's his car?
Stripes.
What do you think he does for a living, bro? What do you think they are?
OnlyFans. 100%. 100%. He's the one that made OnlyFans.
Yeah, he's the CEO. It is crazy to see like a Ford like that. Look at the wheels, bro.
I know. Look at the brakes, bro.
Carbon fiber wheels, guys. Look how much carbon fiber this car has. The whole door, the whole chassis on. The whole car is carbon. Guys, look at the whole entire car is carbon. I've never looked at these up close, but wow, that is a crazy car. The wheels, fully carbon. Wow, that car is insane. I've never actually like looked at it, but that is like a race car on the street.
Exhaust. What the fuck?
Another E36 M3. Oh. F80s are fire, dude. Bro, when F80s are set up right, they look better than G80s. You know all these E92s? Look at, they're all E92s. You should have brought your car today.
Mine's
Look,
actually.
I hear another one, bro. They're all E92s. Damn, these shoes are loud, bro.
Competition with you because you're just loud.
Nah, mine's loud,
No,
bro.
yours
I
is
can
fucking-
hear it.
And then when he goes to his downshift, he goes, you're like, bro.
More E36s, bro. They're everywhere. Bro, this is crazy. There's so many, guys. This one's very clean. Super clean, bro. Wow, the interior is mint. There's so many M3s. I've never seen so many E36 M3s in one spot, honestly.
This was actually sick, but the thing is that I'm talking about M4s, they're not just, they just don't look as,
I don't know.
They don't look aggressive.
yeah, but
They don't look
M4s
thick.
are wider
They don't
though.
look big.
And Peter likes them thick.
But the M
It's like a BBO and then the one that got it naturally. So the pass, and
yeah, so you can't really notice it.
Even more E36s. They're all M3s. I don't know if that one is, but these are.
Let's go over there,
That's
bro.
sick.
Let's see all the Gs.
Damn, there's a lot of
This color is
G80s.
so sick.
This one has carbon fiber wheels, if you have not seen. I've seen this in a vlog before. And the interior. Look at this interior. Damn, that shit's sick. This one's crazy, guys. Look, a black G80 with black TEs. This is hard. This is my style right here for sure. Damn.
Does, bro.
The homie Daniel has that exhaust. You know it's like a $9,000 option?
Do you like it?
I don't know. Not for 9,000.
I think on the M4.
It looks kind of cool. Guys, there's a lot of Beamers here. Oh, what the heck? That thing's clean too. There's so many clean BMWs here, like really clean builds, bro. What the? Look at Nismo. Nismo GTR. This thing's sick. Finally another GTR. I don't think this is the only GTR here, I think.
Parked it like it was a regular car.
He just parked it normally on. He just doesn't care.
Oh my god, look at that too.
Bro, this has to be like a 200K one for sure.
Look how it's like a...
Yeah, the color's crazy. It's like a gray, silver, but it has like a pink in it, kind of.
Crazy, bro.
Why are there so many on BBSs? Like, and they're not just like clapped out E36s. Like, they're all mint. They all have BBS wheels, and every single car build is really, really nice. It's crazy.
They definitely don't daily drive their cars like us.
Good thing
These are cars and coffee cars.
Yeah, good thing I didn't
These
do
are
that.
nice cars, bro. These cars are so nice, bro. Everyone takes very good care. Anyways, I'm probably gonna end the video right here, guys. I think I filmed enough for this vlog. I'm gonna start a whole nother vlog right now. See what else we get into today. Stay tuned for the next video because I think we're gonna go for a ride in my old E36 M3. I'm gonna go meet up with the owner right now, and I'm gonna start a whole new video right now. So stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button. Comment down below what was your favorite car here at this meet right now. There's a lot of sick cars. I can't even pick, bro. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.